Hey, what's going on? It's Gabe Monroy with Nerd Tech, and I wanted to make a quick video today on how can we transfer our old scripts to the new editor, the Node style editor. So if you've been using Air, you likely have a lot of the old scripts that you've been using, and maybe you want to transfer them to the new editor. First of all, I think you probably should start to transition over. I've done a lot of testing and I do believe the lag's better and I believe that the agent is smarter. I think they have it on an upgraded GPT model on the back end. So I've had pretty good success so far with testing it, and I would definitely recommend you go ahead and switch them over. So there's really no trick to this. There's no magic button. I wish there was. I wish that they would create a way to be able to just transfer over, push a button, something, but maybe they'll come out with that in the future. So what I'm showing you is really just copy and pasting. So this is exactly how I would do it. I have two tabs open here. One tab is my advanced uh, editor, my old editor in advanced mode. And then in this tab, I'm going to create a new agent with the new editor. So I'm just going to call this new, let's see, the old one was uh, HF reactivation. I'm just going to call this one V2, version 2. And we're going to do sales, create agent, new flow builder, select. All right, now we're opening it up to here. So if I go over to my old one, I can see it just says, hey, prospect name. So we're good on the same. And then we have my opening statement here. You don't need to copy the quotes. You just need to copy the text. So we'll copy that, click down here, add it in, click out, save, go back over. This is some prompting I have. I don't need to copy that. And then I'm going to copy this, go over here. Copy the next line. And you can also just double click into here like that, which is pretty cool. Copy the next line and do that. All right, so you get the point. I don't need to do my entire script, but that's how I would do it. But because this new editor is so advanced and has the ability to do all sorts of different logic, a lot of people in their old editors have directions in brackets like this. Now, these specific directions I'm showing you is for saying a property address correct, but sometimes people will put things like, if they say it's the wrong number, say this, or if they say they're not interested, say this. So instead of putting them in brackets like that, when you're transitioning over to the new editor, then for instance, after you add in all the script, I would just get the basic layout here like this. And then what you can do is you can just say, let's say we want to add, let's see, what does this one say? Still wanting to sell. All right, cool. So this is a perfect example. We're asking them, are they still wanting to sell? So let's break this one here. We'll go back into this. We'll say, uh, yes, I still want to, yeah, or let's say, yes, I'm ready to sell. Yes, I want to sell, but not quite ready yet. And no, I'm not selling anymore. And maybe we'll say I already sold it. So we can do that. And then we'll just drag this up to give it a little bit more space. We'll drag this over here, here, boom. You can just click right in the white part and reorganize them the way you want. And then you can start typing in the responses you want for each one. If this is yes, I'm ready to sell, then what we're going to do is we're going to move all this over here because this is the line we're going down, and then boom, connect it. That easy. We're going to save our work. I always refresh just to make sure everything stays the same before I click out. There's been a couple times where I've saved, I've clicked out, I've came back, and some nodes were missing. So I don't know if they fixed that 100% yet, but there is some glitches. So I always recommend saving, refreshing, make sure everything stays set before you leave it for the day. So that way, if something does get erased, it's fresh in your mind and you can add it back and resave it again. So that's how I would go about copying and pasting my script over and then re-adding logic to make your script flow a little bit better. So hope that video helps you understand a little bit more on how to transition things. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps me out. I want to keep providing the value for you guys. If you don't have Air, definitely reach out, let me know. I can get you a free Air account. I use it with GHL, and if you don't have GHL, I have an awesome integration I can help you guys out with getting GHL connected and managing your calls that way. It's so much better. So have a great rest of your week. We'll talk to you later.